Hi guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add image comparison in your WordPress blog or page like this using Divi Builder. I have added this image comparison using Divi add-on plugin. To add image comparison, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search Divi. Here you can see Divi add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Now go to post and click on add new post. Add post title, I will add image comparison and then click on use Divi Builder button. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will start from scratch. Select column structure. I will select 2 columns. Now before adding any module, add this row and change column structure from here. I will select this column with the 50% and 25%. Just click on the stick button and then click on the center plus button icon. Now here's the module. Scroll down. You can see these are Tark modules that comes with the plugin that we have added called Divi Tark. Here you can see Tark image comparison. Select this module. Now here you have 2 options, before and after. Here you have to add a before image. Select here and select a before image. I will select this one, upload image. Now you can add label. You can change before to make it fast, but before is perfect. Now collapse this section, go to after section, select a image, click on upload an image and then change label. I will add after filters. Now you can change label background color. You can make it green, you can make it red. I will go with this color. Just click on the stick button, click on these 3 dots and publish the post. Now you have successfully published the post. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now here you can see you have successfully added an image comparison in your blog using Divi add-on plugin. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi Builder. Thanks for watching.